Hello guys, welcome back to today's session, and today class is how to trade on ranging market and uptrend market and downtrend market. Okay, you can see there is some ranging market. Okay, level is here, again going to this level. Okay, again going to this level. So two highs are no make a higher highs. Okay, no make a higher highs. This high, this high, this is a higher highs. Okay, this low is not make a lower low. Lower low example, this type of going to this market, this is a lower low. This is market not make a lower low, so this is a lower highs. Okay, this is a higher highs, this is a lower highs. Okay, this market is find of the ranging bull market. Okay, you can select the higher highs, higher lows, and expect the ranging market. So how to trade this type of market? You can see first select the high, second select the low. Okay, next this type of high, and this is a double bottom also. This is a, you can see this is a rejection from sellers and touch the level. This is a double bottom, and this is also ranging market, and middle of the trend going to more up. Okay, so this type of situation going to break the level. Now how to trade this type of situation? And again seller's entry going to up, again seller's entry going to up, again seller's entry. So you confirm the first seller's entry. So this is a first seller's entry, and this is also first seller's entry, but you can see this candle strong rejection, this is a strong momentum. Okay, so there is no buyers weak at the momentum. So next level is here also. So middle of the trend make a bearish candle, not going to against the momentum. Okay, so this is a momentum, not going to against the momentum. Again some seller's entry, this is a strong seller's entry, make a new low. Okay, this make a new low, this is a seller strong entered, this make a new low. Okay, what is happening this candle? So sellers open this level, this resistance level, strong sellers no buyers entry, strong sellers no buyer subjection, strong sellers no buyer subjection, strong sellers no buyer subjection. So this level buyers are objection not break this level. Okay, so what is happening? So next to buyers interested at this level, right? So next to buyers interested at this level, this is a reversal sign. Again there is a gap. Okay, so there is a strong gap, you can place a directly lower option. Okay, you can see these make a new low. There is a very high gap, and you can place a directly lower option. This is a winning trade. Okay, so you can see this is a strong candle, this strong body, and this rejection is very low. Okay, you can place a directly lower option. So this after candle no you can don't place the again lower option. Why? Because only you can use the one choice only. One time you can use the this choice. Okay, don't trade this every candle. Every candle you may lose this high probability winning ratio. Okay, so you can choose only one time, you win success. Okay, you can see there is a reversal sign. Next buyer's entry is here. There is a resistance level. You can see there is a head and shoulder pattern. There is a resistance level, strong seller's entry, and next buyer set here. Okay, this, and again take this candle, you can trade this candle, this also winning trade. Okay, so you can see next buyer's entry here, and these sellers make a bearish candle, again close the at the level. Okay, at the level you can place a buyer option. Okay, sometimes are continuation maybe, so don't trade against the momentum. And this buy signal you can place a higher option. Okay, and this buy signal you can place a higher option. Okay, this is a buy signal, you can place a higher option. This is a buy signal, you can place a higher option, right? So this type of situation you can choose the higher highs and higher lows, this type, and again this type market is ranging bone market. Okay, you can place a higher option. This also use the double bottom also, it's strong rejection, close at the support level, you can place a directly higher option. Okay, so you don't confirm this candle, any doubt, you can place a second candle, right? And this also sellers area, you can place only sellers, you can place only lower option. Okay, don't try to higher option. And some traders are, this is a strong buying signal, there is no rejection. Some traders are directly going to higher option, so that is a wrong. 98% fail of this type of trades. Okay, so resistance level you can choose only sellers, support level you can choose only buyers. Only you can this is a strong buyer's entry, you can confident, you can place a directly higher option next candle. Okay, I will explain the next chart. This also ranging market, you can see this is a ranging market. You can select the most reversal points. Okay, okay, so many levels at here, and this is a major level. Okay, you can select the major levels, so good winning ratio. You can see there is a buyer's area. Okay, there is a seller's area, right? This is a ranging bone market. Okay, sometimes are breakout too. How to explain this? Okay, this whole area is resistance area. Okay, this is a strong seller's entry. Again break the level. So next seller's entry is here. This candle close at the seller's area, right? Some sellers are interested at here. Okay, so this candle close at the seller's area, again strong seller's entry. Okay, so this candle also close the seller's area, but this is a momentum going to new high. You can see seller changing the entry point. Okay, next seller's entry is here, and this candle strong candle close at the level, but again some strong sellers entry. Why? There is a gap, some sellers are entered. Okay, candle open this level going to buyers. Okay, again seller, this is a strong selling pressure going to make a bearish candle. Okay, you go to higher option, this expectation is right, but there is a fast momentum again going to buyer's entry, some this strong seller's entry going to make a bearish candle. Okay, sometimes are very fast momentum, candle close unexpected the bearish candle. Okay, I'm placing a higher option, but candle close a bearish candle. So why? Because this is a strong selling pressure. You can see this is a strong selling pressure. Again double bottom selling pressure is very high. Okay, and this type of situation, strong selling pressure, again next buyer's entry is here. Okay, again you can place a lower option, this type of candle. Okay, make a new low, this is a doji candle, no loss of this trade. Okay, next you avoid this area. Okay, this choice is over, avoid this area, and you can see this is a buyer's area, strong buyer's entry. You can place it directly higher option. Next seller's entry is here. You can see rejection is here, and this is also strong buyer's area. You can place a second candle after this buying signal. Okay, and this also double bottom, strong buyer's entry, and there is no rejection, this body is very big. You can place a directly higher option. Okay, this candle also you can place a directly higher option. So how many trades this ranging bone market? You can see this is a first high and this is a second high. You confirm the ranging bone. This is not a second high. Why? Because this is not a higher high. Why? Because, and you can see this is a lower, again going to high, again going to down. You can confirm the this high, this low. Okay, this is a ranging bone market, right? You will expected the next seller's entry is here, and next seller's entry is here, again here. Okay, this candle make a Marbuji candle. This type of candle not take a trade. I will already explain this type of candles. Okay, and you can choose this type of candles. So this type of candle Marbuji candle, but seller's entry is here, right? There is no resistance area. Okay, this is a strong buying pressure at double bottom. Okay, you can see there is a double bottom candle, so you can directly place this type of candle. Okay, this is a winning trade. and this say winning trade, and this say winning trade, this say winning trade. Okay, sometimes are these breakouts. So these type of breakouts you don't take trade. Okay, again this candle enter the buyer's area, you can place a directly higher option. This candle enter the buyer's area, you can place a directly higher option. Okay, and there is a momentum going to break the level. There is no rejection, there is no rejection, there is no rejection. Sellers are not interested at the point. Okay, you can see there is no lower rejection. Sellers enter this type of candle, first sellers going to down. Okay, this is interested of the sellers, but there is no interested of sellers. This type of candle make a bullish candle, right? There is no rejection, there is no rejection, there is no rejection. So what's mean, this is not sellers interested at the level. Okay, you can see there is a some sellers entry interested at the level, some try to going to make a bearish candle. Okay, and this also strong selling pressure, try to make a bearish candle, but still some buyers entry, again some strong buyers entry. These sellers are enter this level. Okay, this level, how to enter the sellers, these sellers are opportunity at the resistance level, right? And this resistance level. Okay, these sellers enter this level after this bullish candle. Okay, so sellers waiting for good opportunity, again sellers entry. Okay, so how to trade on uptrend market, and this uptrend market. Okay, this is a small momentum uptrend market. Uptrend market is choose a higher highs. Already explain this point. Okay, this is a high, this is a high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. Okay, this is a lower highs. Okay, this is a lower highs. So market is not going to this type of market, this type of market going to higher highs. You confirm the uptrend market, only you can select the two higher highs, two lower lows. Okay, and you can see this is a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is a seller's entry, this is a seller's entry. You choose this level also, right? After this ranging bone market, you can choose the first high, second high. This is a first high, this is a second high, this is a first low, this is second low. So how to expect the next levels? Okay, this is a next high, again seller's entry, 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 next high, again seller's entry. This is a low, but don't take this higher low, higher high. Okay, this is a high, this is a higher high. Don't take this, you will wait for the it's broke the level, next high is here, not here. Okay, you can wait for next high only, don't take the middle of the trend high. Okay, this is not a high. Next high is here, next high is here. So high here, 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 next high is here. You can place this trade only, not use for this level. Okay, use for this level and use for this level, this level, this level, and this level, this level. Okay, so many opportunities at here, and use for this level and this level, this level, this level, this level, not use for this level. Okay, why? This is a double bottom, and sometimes are break the level, sometimes are going to up. Okay, you can see this is a double bottom, not used for this level. Next high is here. Okay, this is a ranging bone market, and next high is here. This is a double bottoms are avoid the trading opportunity. Okay, you can avoid this market, only you can take a higher highs, not a double bottoms middle of the trendy market. Okay, this is a double bottom, you can leave the market. You can see this type of double bottom market, so avoid that type of market first. Okay, this is a high. Okay, this is a high, and this is a low, this is a low. Okay, you will confirm the trend. Next, seller's entry is here. You will place a, you can trade this candle. Okay, this is a winning trade. Next, buyer's entry is here. Why? Because this is a higher high. Okay, you can trade a higher option. This is also winning trade. And next high is here, again seller's entry. You can place a this second candle, this is also winning trade. And after, okay, this is also lower highs. You can place this trade, and this is also winning trade. And you can place a this trade, and this is also doji candle, so may not lose this trade. Okay, ATM. Okay, this is a higher high. Next candle also win up your trade, and this is a higher low. Next candle also winning the trade. You don't take this type of candle. Okay, this and this. Okay, avoid the market, and you can choose the other pair. Okay, so this type of situation, you can place a higher option at buyer's area, lower option at seller's area. Okay, this is a only opportunity. Don't take every market, any market. You don't have the confusion, don't take the trade. You can 100% expect the candle. You can place a higher option or lower option, take this. So same scenario apply the downtrend market also. Okay, this is uptrend market. So don't trade this type of market, very high wicks and low wicks. You may lose of these trades. Okay, you can choose only good market. Going to take a trades. Okay, this type of market is also very bad. Okay, so many traders are trading the very bad market and loss of money and very big amount of loss of money, worrying after loss the money. Okay, this is a downtrend market. Okay, this is actually not good market. Okay, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low. Okay, only two higher highs in here, is not a okay, you can see this is a high, this is a low. Okay, this is a high, this is a lower low. Okay, you can select this level, and again this is a next seller's entry is here. Okay, this is a winning trade. Next lower is here. After buyer's entry you can place a higher option. This is also winning trade, right? And this is a strong seller's entry after lower low, and this is also winning trade. Okay, after buyer's entry you can place a higher option. This is a winning trade. Okay, this is a lower low, again you can place a lower option. This is a winning trade. This is a after buying signal you can place a higher option. This is a winning trade. Okay, so same scenario apply the seller's area. Don't trade this type of markets. Okay, you can select the good market. You can choose only good market, you can place a trade. Okay, so today this is a class, and you can practice it all the points, know the all the points. Okay, don't worry. Any doubts you can send me my Telegram group. I will explain clearly. Thank you.